Hello tubers and welcome to the Piston Alignment Workshop. As threatened, it's new project time and this is our calf racer. Now this is a Yamaha XS250 and I know what you're all thinking. It's shit, it's slow, so please don't judge us too badly, but we do have some cracking ideas for this one. Right. This idea stemmed from about a year ago, thanks to the bike shed in London actually. They went down to Lydden Hill in Kent and they hosted the first ever Calf Racer Cup, which we attended. Thought that was good. It's basically a wrong what you brung event, so we're going to have a crack at it. Now we've got 5 months on this project, so this one does have a deadline. The next race is October. It's over the weekend, so we're going to turn this engine and frame into a racer by then. So this isn't a how-to, this isn't a guide video.
Have you got the dates for our subscribers?
I'll put the dates in the description below so you can check it out. Yeah, this isn't a how-to or anything. This is just our personal journey of this, and we'd like to share it with you. As you can see, we've got a good base to start. We have a frame that got started last year, that's been sat ever since. We've got an engine that we know this one runs, definitely. I know our other projects are... we haven't been sure, but this one was running, and that's a swinging on. So the first step, we're going to tackle the engine. We've got a few modifications we want to try with this first. We're not sure if they're going to work, but we can't go any further with the frame design until we know for sure. So just keep watching this space for further updates on this. Hopefully it will look a bit better than this next time you see it. We might have a bit more done. Go on Facebook, follow us on there for uploads of photographs and any other projects that we've got. We've got a lot going on throughout the summer, and hopefully we'll continue to upload every week for you. So please like and subscribe, stay notified. Like I say, find us on Facebook, and thanks for watching.